Hi, my dear Aquarians. This is Sri Vidya. I was actually in mid of your reading when my video got shut. Now again, I'm continuing your reading. The reading is as such that currently you are not in a, you have a wealthy family. You could have inheritance as well. But regarding your career, you're not taking actions as expected by you are in a kind of dreamer mode. You are dreaming a lot, you're not taking action, you're being overly sensitive, and you're not approaching the situations head on. You don't want to, you fear, what I am sensing is that you're afraid that it may lead to some crunches in your family life. Although your family life is very very wealthy, you must be very very financially abundant, but you are not taking any leap of faith. You could be in some kind of business, self employment. You could be having dogs as well, what I am seeing. Okay, your past energies for Aquarians, past energy for Aquarians, Sun Moon Rising, past Aquarian, past energy. Okay, Knight of Wands. Earlier you were in a fiery mode. Earlier you were in total fiery mode. You could have had some ego fights with others, with your colleagues, with someone in your business. And Knight of Wands is like coming in, going out, like of energy, like you're not getting it through. You have initiated a business, but you're not taking it properly to the end. I hope you're able to see this. Okay, now your crowning energy, please. Your crowning energy, you could be, mostly that I am getting is that you could be in a self-employment job, a business. Some could be in government job as well. Okay, your crowning energy, please. Crowning energy that I am death. Oh, okay, you are planning now. Death is also here, and eight of cups reversed is also here. This could also signify that you are in a mode of ending a situation, and then you are coming, you are like, you are like in and out. You want to quit a job, and then again you want to return to something. The new beginning is around in the horizon, so obviously ending brings the new beginning as well. Death is the energy of Capricorn, and it could relate to jobs in army, of tax collectors as well, a broker agent, any career advisors. And these are those kind of job area that I am getting. Drug abuse counselor, you could be a counselor, you could be a broker, you could be a taxman, you could be in an army, you could be a funeral director, anything you could be this kind of, and you are ending that job. Okay, now what is in store for you in the future. Again, Seven of Cups, you have been, and Ace of Wands is also here. You are actually in a very, in future, right now you are in and out position, but in future you are going to be in very fiery position, and you will be very clear about what kind of choice you want, what exactly you want. Let me get some clarification. Oh my god, if this card is left here, then this is for some purpose. You might be recovering from some stress as well, that I am seeing. That you in future, you currently also, because of this transformation has brought so many changes in your life. This transformation that you are going through, you are having so many changes in your life, and because of it is causing some stress to you also. Okay. Okay, this is your energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Now let's get some clarification card for current self. Current self, please get me some okay, I have got a card. Okay, now see, Seven of Cups is here, and Seven of Cups in future is also in future, but this is reverse, means you are making the choices. In the current scenario only you have so many choices, but you have to be very careful what choices to make. Although all the choices that I am seeing are actually so and so very good, but you have to opt for the best one. So don't be in an in and out energy. Consider it through what you really want. What is your foundation energy saying? What is your foundation energy saying? It's saying Ten of Cups. You have a very beautiful family, I can say. And Sun card is also a you. Aquarians, you are very happy go lucky type of a person. You have a very wealthy, very healthy, very happy, very prosperous family. It's very nice to see, and that is also backing you up. And it could also be the case that you are like taking your family into the consideration, and that's why you are getting in and getting out, this kind of approach, being very flexible kind of energy that I am getting for you. But in the near horizon, definitely there is going to be an ending, and there is going to be a new beginning as well, and a very beautiful new beginning that I am seeing. Okay, now again I'm I want to say that whenever sun cards come, it is like any job that is where you lead. This is a very fun job. This could be outdoor job as well. It's a fun job basically that you really want. If you are doing a career reading, then this is like a fun job. Why death is here? Why death is here? Give me a card. Why death is here? Give me a card. Why death is here? Death is here because of Eight of Wands. Yeah, you are not going to in fact have any connection with the, oh my god, see, death, clear cut, there is going to be an ending, and you're just cutting it off. You'll have no communication with your previous job that you'll be doing. No, you'll not have. What's the past energy? Why you were in so much rush? You were in rush because of the Lovers. You are totally in energy where you actually want this job desperately. You want the current job, the future job desperately, and you are very much in love with this. This is Gemini energy. It could also be represent that you could enter into a partnership firm, some sales, advertising, communication, MBA. So what I am saying is that currently you might be in some boring job, and you want to go for a job that you really love, and you have got the inclination for the job, what you really want, and therefore in future you will be like clear, I really want this. Right now you have the option, right now you're thinking about it, and in future you will be like dead sure, because death is there, transformation is finally there. Now future card, please clarify the future card. Future card, your future card. Wow, Aquarians, there is no doubt in your reading. It's very clear that the ending will become will bring a new beginning. Although you are definitely going through some phases where you regret something and you're recovering from that. You are recovering. You were having sleepless nights in earlier, but now with so much of struggle you are like there, I really love this job, I want this, and I'm just going to get this. No doubt in that. It's very clear. Let me get some energies for you from this card as well. This is Under the Roses Lenormand deck. It's very helpful. Sometimes in a very small manner it really helps. Okay, give me some card for current energy for Aquarians. Current energy for Aquarians, my dear deck. Current energy, Clock Tower. You are like deciding to this brings enlightenment. This is a card for separation. You are structuring yourself, you are alienating yourself from the current scenario. This is a tower. This also represents tower card. A break, a shift is coming. You're thinking of a shift, you're thinking of taking an action, separating yourself. Although you are dreaming a lot of it, you're not taking action as of now, but actually you're dreaming, you're thinking to take an action, and to just the action will be like cutting the current job. You're just opting out of the current job. That's very clear in your card. Your foundation energy, please. Your foundation energy, please. Your foundation energy, please. Give me your foundation energy, please. Foundation energy, the tree. You are growing, you are spiritually also growing. You are your family life is like everyone is enriching you in health perspective, also in your bonding, anything. You're like spiritually also you're growing, you are ascending, and there could be a gentleman in your life that is helping you along with to that is enriching you, that is enlightening you. This could be a partnership. This could also be about the partnership firm that we are talking about. Okay, now let me give a card for the past. What happened in the past? What happened in the past? Please give me a card. What happened in the past? What happened in the past? Okay, like this is again, that bouquet is a very beautiful card. In the past, you fell in love with some job. You got an inclination to that. You just fell in love. Simple. You just fell in love with the job that you found, and you were like, just you were so much passionate about it. I want to achieve it, and anyhow I am going to achieve it. And you also want to give to your family with this happiness. This is a happiness. Bouquet is a happiness. Whenever there is happiness, then only you go with a bouquet, no? So bouquet is happiness. It's a very beautiful card. From past only you were like, that sure, I want this, I want this. But you're not currently, you're not taking that much action that you, maybe you must be thinking what to do. Your crowning energy, please. Your crowning energy, please. Your crowning energy, please. Okay, your crowning energy, the locket. It's very, again, very beautiful cards I'm getting. This is happiness. This is like cherishing those moments, enjoying. Like you are like totally into. Now I'm happy. I'm content. I have everything that I really want. I am moving towards it. I'm seeing very beautiful cards for you, my dear Aquarians. Very beautiful card. Future cards. Please give me a future card. And the ship, yes, you will be moving out. And the sickle implies that you are just cutting. Again, this is a death card. This represents death in this deck. And the ship is like, now you are transforming, you are taking a leap, you are exploring, and you are moving on. You are just traveling. It could be some out of country job as well. This could also be a scenario. Or out of the city, you could be changing the city, you could be relocating. And world and the ship, this clearly indicates that a new beginning is there. A beautiful new beginning where you are going to just enjoy it. Your family is just going to enjoy it. Very good, because Aquarians, in couple of days I haven't got this kind of reading, and I'm really happy for you. The card that I really got for you. I hope those people, please let me know whosoever resonated. I am going to do an angel card reading as well, and please, my dear friends, whosoever resonated, please let me know. For Aquarians, again, I haven't asked these cards. Angels, archangels, please get me a card for Aquarians. Please get me advice card. Archangel Michael, so beautiful card. This is Archangel Michael. Whenever he comes, this is like a new beginning. This is something like he is getting rid of the blockages and fears that you might be having. One is always one signifies new beginning. Okay, now the second card that I have got for why, like I can only say that Aquarians, you are as of now the luckiest person on the planet. Archangel Gabriel is also this. When I told you are suffering from some anxiety from the past, and you are with the 5 of Cups, like you are recovering from some traumatic event that happened in the past. And Archangel Gabriel, call Archangel Gabriel, because she will help you and assist you in getting out of the past pains. Because that, my God, Archangel Gabriel, this is too much. I am not making this up. This is like coming up, and I'm really happy, and I wished I could have got those cards in my reading. This is Archangel Gabriel. This is like lovers. You are immensely in love. You are immensely in love with your job. And since I do relationship reading also, then I am just getting inclination to tell you that if you are also in a love kind of relationship, this is your soulmate. This is someone who is like made for you, and just making you so much happy. This person will make you immensely happy. Again, this job will make you immensely happy. Thank you, Aquarians, and I really love this reading. Please let me know whosoever resonated. Thank you. Love you. Bye.